Welcome to the Digital Millionaire Club. If you've ever wondered how to master digital marketing and turn your skills into a profitable career, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll break down the step-by-step process of learning digital marketing and show you how to start earning money online. Whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your skills, stick around as we dive into everything you need to know to succeed in the digital world. Let's get started and turn your digital dreams into reality. How to learn digital marketing and earn money, a step-by-step guide. In today's digital age, mastering digital marketing is not just an option but a necessity for anyone looking to grow a business or make money online. The good news is that learning digital marketing is more accessible than ever, thanks to the abundance of online resources, courses, and tools. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this guide will help you navigate the learning process and start earning money through digital marketing. Step 1. Understand the basics of digital marketing. Before diving into the technical aspects, it's crucial to understand what digital marketing is and how it works. Digital marketing encompasses all marketing efforts that use the internet or electronic devices. This includes search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, pay-per-click advertising, PPC, affiliate marketing, influencer marketing. Each of these areas plays a significant role in driving traffic, building brand awareness, and converting leads into customers. Start by reading introductory articles and watching videos to get a broad understanding of these concepts. Step 2. Enroll in online courses. The next step is to take structured courses that delve deeper into each area of digital marketing. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and HubSpot Academy offer comprehensive courses that cater to all levels. Some recommended courses include Google's Digital Garage, free courses on everything from SEO to analytics. HubSpot Academy offers certifications in inbound marketing, email marketing, and more. Udemy's Digital Marketing Masterclass, a comprehensive course covering all aspects of digital marketing. These courses often include assignments, quizzes, and practical projects, helping you apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. Step 3. Start a blog or YouTube channel. One of the best ways to learn is by doing. Starting a blog or a YouTube channel allows you to practice the skills you're learning in real time. Choose a niche you're passionate about and create content around it. As you build your blog or channel, you'll get hands-on experience with SEO, researching keywords, optimizing content, and building backlinks. Content marketing, creating valuable content that attracts and engages your audience. Social media marketing, promoting your content across different social media platforms. Email marketing, building an email list and sending newsletters to keep your audience engaged. This hands-on experience is invaluable and can eventually become a source of income through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Step 4. Gain practical experience. Once you have a solid understanding and some hands-on experience, consider taking on small projects or internships. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer your services to clients worldwide. Start with small tasks like managing social media accounts, writing blog posts, or running basic ad campaigns. This will help you build a portfolio and gain practical experience. You can also offer your services to local businesses, friends, or family members who need help with digital marketing. Not only does this provide you with real-world experience, but it also helps you build a network that can lead to more opportunities. Step 5. Specialize and diversify your skills. Digital marketing is a broad field, and while it's essential to understand the basics of all areas, specializing in one or two can set you apart. For instance, you might become an expert in SEO, PPC advertising, or content marketing. Specializing allows you to command higher rates and take on more advanced projects. At the same time, diversifying your skills ensures you're well-rounded and can adapt to different client needs. For example, learning to use tools like Google Analytics, Canva, and MailChimp will make you more valuable as a digital marketer. Step 6. Monetize your skills. Once you've built your skills and portfolio, it's time to start earning money. Here are a few ways to monetize your digital marketing expertise. Freelancing. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or directly to clients. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Sell digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or templates. Consulting. Offer your expertise to businesses as a consultant, helping them create and implement digital marketing strategies. Ad revenue. If you have a blog or YouTube channel with significant traffic, you can earn money through Google AdSense or other ad networks. Step 7. Stay updated and keep learning. Digital marketing is a dynamic field that's constantly evolving. To stay competitive, you must keep up with the latest trends, algorithm changes, and new tools. Follow industry blogs, join digital marketing communities, and attend webinars or conferences to stay informed. Thanks for watching this video on how to learn digital marketing and start earning money online. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Digital Millionaire Club for more tips, strategies, and insights into building your digital empire. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments which digital marketing skill you're most excited to master. Until next time, keep hustling and turning your digital dreams into reality.